Morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a clean with me video. I am going to be cleaning my master bathroom and bedroom, and don't actually mind the light bulb right above here because it did actually fall, so we need to put it back in its place. But I am going to be cleaning and organizing under my cabinets here in my bathroom. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys the before. So this is currently how they look, and honestly I just have a mess in all of the cabinets. There's just so many things, and I just need to go through everything and throw what I don't need and just organize it a little bit better. This one is the worst one, guys. I'm pretty embarrassed to show you guys, but this is how it looks. And this video is in collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube. Her name is Felicia, and she does a lot of shop with me videos, decorating videos, lifestyle videos, all of that. So I want you guys to check out her channel. Her home is so beautiful. Let me go ahead and have her introduce herself.
Hey guys, my name is Felicia, also known as Miss Fee Marie, and I am a busy wife and mother of 5, yes girl, 5 children. My husband and I have recently purchased our dream home in Atlanta, Georgia. I am a native of the Windy City of Chicago, and on my channel I love all things home decor, cooking, fashion, you name it, all things lifestyle, and I absolutely love it. Shopping is my cardio, so if you enjoy hauls and things like that, by all means hit that subscribe button because I would absolutely love to have you, and thank you so much for watching.
Alright guys, so what I'm going to start by doing is just putting things away that don't belong here in the bathroom. Also just folding our towels and just getting it all prepared to go ahead and start cleaning my mirror here in the bathroom. So I'm just putting things away at the moment, and I'm also going to be taking out everything that I have here on top of my sink area. So what I'm going to be using to clean my mirrors here today is my Windex. I did actually have my Method glass cleaner downstairs, so I'm just going to be using the Windex since I did have it upstairs already. So yeah, this is what I like to start by doing, just removing everything and cleaning my mirrors. So now that I finished cleaning my mirrors, I'm going to be using my scrubbing bubbles to clean my sink area. And I just love using scrubbing bubbles. It works so good for me, and it leaves my sink looking really nice and clean. So for my countertop areas, I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaner. As you guys all know, I just love this thing. The peony scent smells so good, so I just love honestly using it everywhere. So now that my sink area is nice and clean, my countertop and my mirrors, I like to just put everything back in its place and just put it a little bit more organized and have it decluttered free. So when I was putting my husband's hand soap and all of that back in its place, I realized that his was pretty much empty. So I'm going to be throwing that bottle away and getting him a new one. So while I was cleaning my bathroom, guys, my son was in my bedroom and he was just watching TV, but look at what he is doing. He is just throwing all of the clothes that I had right here on my bench everywhere. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my bathtub and my shower since he is just entertained and just throwing things everywhere. So I'm gonna start with the bathtub. I am gonna be using Comet and scrubbing bubbles to go ahead and just give it a good wash. After letting the Comet and the scrubbing bubbles sit on the bathtub for a few minutes, I am going to be going in with this brush, and I just like to go in and just brush everything and get it all nice and clean. And I am going to be also using this brush to clean my shower. So once I'm done scrubbing everything, I like to go in with a napkin and just dry everything just to make sure it is nice and dry and clean. So I finally finished cleaning my bathtub, so I'm just putting everything back in its place, and I'm gonna start cleaning my shower. But first I'm just gonna add the Clorox. I do like to add Clorox to the shower, and I'm also gonna be adding Comet to clean my shower. So that's what I'm gonna be adding right now. And after adding it, I'm just gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. And once I wait the 10 minutes, then I'm just gonna add a little bit of water and just start scrubbing the shower down. So once I'm done scrubbing the shower, I'm just going to now add water straight from my shower to rinse off the Clorox and the Comet. So for the outside of my shower, I do like to clean the glass with Windex or the Method glass cleaner, but today I'm just gonna clean it off with the Windex. And the inside of my shower, I am gonna be cleaning it once I actually take my shower, because after cleaning all day, I definitely need to take one. So now that I'm done cleaning my sink area, my bathtub, and my shower, it's time to go ahead and declutter these cabinets and just organize them a little bit better. So what I'm gonna do first is just remove everything out from the cabinets just to make sure I take a good look and see what I actually have in there, and make sure I throw away things that I'm not gonna need, and also clean the inside of them because they are definitely dirty and they need a good cleaning. So this is my side of the sink area, and mine was just a mess. It was the messiest of them all. I have just so many things that I don't even need, so many bags, and just so many things that I definitely need to just throw away. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove everything and see what I want and see what I don't need to just go ahead and throw away. So what I'm using to clean the inside of my cabinets is the multi-surface cleaner by Mrs. Meyers, and I'm honestly so surprised, guys, because I did have a little bit of stains in there and they all got removed. This is everything that was inside of my cabinets here in my bathroom. So now it's time to go ahead and start organizing and throwing things away that I don't need. And these are actually the items that I'm going to be using to help me be a little bit more organized, guys. And I actually did show you guys these two items that I just got yesterday. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start organizing things a little bit better. So for my husband's side of the cabinet here, I am going to be putting all of the cleaning supplies here and extra toilet paper and like the napkins and all of that stuff, just because my husband doesn't really have like a million lotions like I do, and like, you know, the perfumes, I have so many. And yeah, he's just a simple guy. He only has like one lotion and that's all he uses. So I definitely use this space for all of our cleaning supplies. So for my side of the cabinet, I am going to be putting here all of my baby's like lotions and shampoos and extra things that I have for him, just because I didn't want to put them on my husband's side, because I am going to be putting all of the cleaning supplies there, and I just didn't really want to mix them with his things. So I am going to be putting them underneath my sink area. I'm finally finished cleaning my bathroom, guys. The only thing that I actually did not show you guys that I cleaned was my toilet area, just because it is in this room hidden and it's pretty dark in there even with the light, so I didn't really want to show you guys, but I did go ahead and clean that. So everything is nice and clean here in my bathroom, and I'm just so happy that I did organize my cabinets and stuff like that, because they definitely needed to be cleaned out. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how they actually ended up looking. So this is my husband's side of the sink. And then I'm just going to show you all of these little small cabinets that we have here in the middle. So I just put like our toothpaste and toothbrushes there. This is one of my cabinets. I just have my toiletries there. And on the bottom one there, I have all of like the supplies and stuff that we need. And this one is just mine and my son's area. So yeah, now it's time to go ahead and start cleaning my bedroom, since my little one is with my husband downstairs at the moment. So this gives me a chance to just go ahead and clean this room now. So today I am going to be removing my blanket and my sheets off my bed and just throw them in the washer just to have everything be just nice and clean, since I am cleaning my full bedroom today. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw this load into the washer while I finish cleaning. Now that the load is in the washer, it's time to go ahead and start cleaning my nightstands and all of my mirrored furniture and everything that I have on top of my nightstands here. So I also like to start by just removing everything off from the nightstands and just go ahead and clean all of my mirrored furniture. So this is the last part that I'm gonna just be cleaning here in my bedroom. I don't have too many pieces of furniture in here, which is nice, but I still definitely have to clean all of the mirrored furniture that I do have, so that takes a lot of time to clean. But yeah, I'm pretty much done cleaning my bedroom. The only thing I didn't show was vacuuming, because actually my husband helped me with that right after I finished cleaning my mirrors and things like that. But he did vacuum, so everything is nice and clean now. As you guys can see, here is how my nightstands look and everything that I have on it. But I hope you guys all did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to go ahead and check out Felicia's video as well. I will have her links to her channel and her video in my description box below. And as always, please don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.